Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Thomas, and today we are trying to solve the React and Redux in the front-end development libraries of the free code camp, and we are in the case 3 of the React state logic to Redux. Let's see the questions. Defining add message reducer, and store here. Okay, we are getting the case, and let's try to head back to the Visual Studio Code. Let's head to the src index.js as usual, and we are trying to add these Redux components above the display messages class because it won't be effect for a moment. We are trying to define the action type, the cons add as the naming concept of the action type, and this will be reused again for the action creator and reducer. The second function will be the add message function, add message with the parameter of message, and this is the action creator, and it will be returning the object of the type, action type of the naming concept, the add, and the second object will be the parameter that pass in from the function call. Okay, let's define the message reducer with the function. This is for the Redux, and the parameter will be state and action, and the default state will be the empty array. So we define the empty array first within the parameter, and then the inside function will be, we are using the switch statements with the switch, and let's try the emit abbreviation by using the down arrow and then press tab on it. Okay, let's scroll this and switch key with the action type, with the action.type, and the case will be the naming convention of the add. So the reducer will know if the function, the order, is the action type of add. If it's add, then let's return the new array of the state without mutating the original state array. We are returning the new array by using the array and spread function of the state. We are spreading the content, the elements inside the state array, and adding the action messages, the action message, just message, as the trailing of the newly created array. Let's delete this break. For the default, we are returning the, if there isn't any action type, it will return the original state instead. And then finally we are defining the store of the Redux, cons store. We are using createStore function with the message reducer as the first parameter that we created earlier, and we are trying to logging with the logger, so we don't have to write the console.log store get state function. For the sake of simplicity, apply middleware. It's optional. The logger, and then finally, for the testing purpose, we are dispatching the Redux store with the action type of add. We're trying to see if the store state is working or not with the store.dispatch, and add message as the action type. Add message, then passing our message that will be included in the state messages array. We are using the hello world. Okay, for the create store, we are importing the destructor create store and the destructor apply middleware from Redux, and the logger we are logging using the redux-logger. And then for the free code cam, we are using the redux.createStore. It's for the free code cam, but for the Visual Studio we are just passing the create store function. Okay, let's save this and let's see if it's work. npm.start. Type in new message. Let's head to the console. We are adding the new word. Okay, let's reload this again. Okay, the previous state is empty array of the state, and then the action of the add and the message of the hello world, and then the next state, the final state, will be it's headed to the array of the state without mutating the state array. Let's try to dispatch once more. Store dispatch and add message with the he. Let's save this. Let's see if it's work. Okay, it's added to the array without mutating the state array. Let's reload this. Okay, it's working, and let's copy this. Head back to the free code cam and paste this. We are deleting the apply middleware and using the redux.createStore, and we are not dispatching anything because the dispatch is just for the testing purpose. Let's run the test. Okay, it works, and I hope you have a great day and see you next time. Bye bye.